Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to level your planning in case of resource overallocation. First, I will explain what overallocation is and then how you can solve it. In the schedule, we have two resources, a unique resource called James Watt and a generic one called Engineer. When we select resource James Watt, we see that he is assigned to two tasks simultaneously, which is an overallocation. When we select generic resource Engineer, we see that three tasks require an engineer simultaneously. Whether this is an overallocation depends on the number of engineers available. When we open the capacity panel, we see the overallocation per resource in red and full allocation in green along the timescale. The overallocation of the generic resource Engineer is 300% and can be solved by increasing the capacity to 3, meaning 3 engineers are available. Resource leveling resolves overallocation by changing task dates to ensure a project can be completed with the available resources. For the leveling example, we assume 2 engineers, which we set as capacity. As a result, underallocation is shown in blue in the capacity panel. The leveling function can be found in the Resources menu. We get an estimate of the required calculation time and an overview of the settings related to leveling. In the capacity panel, we see that all resources are green now. The leveling increased the project duration from 4 to 6 working days. In the Gantt panel, we see that the tasks for James Watt do not overlap anymore. The tasks for an engineer are now shifted apart to overlap in pairs according to the capacity of 2 engineers. Shifted tasks are indicated with a vertical bar in the Tasks and Gantt panels. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.